Mercy said no, I'm not gonna let you go. I'm not gonna let you slip away. You don't have to be afraid. Mercy said no, sin will never take control. Life and death stood face to face.
Are you saying she's pregnant? Oh. You mean you don't know? Pregnant? You know what that means. I cannot stop your wedding, but we cannot conduct that in this church, and I am not going to be a part of it. Are you saying we should encourage premarital sex in this church? No. What do you want me to do, Pastor? They have done it and they have done it. So what next? And don't forget, the lady is my daughter, my flesh and my blood. So in this situation, what do you expect me to do? You don't throw away the baby to get with her. The pastor declined conducting the wedding for you because of the stupid mistake by both of you.
Are you asking if it is true?
But you never told me you were pregnant before you went for the test.
Because I didn't know I was until I heard it from the pastor.
Lies! Lies! I don't believe that. But what we did that night was not responsible for the pregnancy you now carry.
What do you mean?
How many weeks old did the pastor say the scan test revealed? Can you still remember that?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. 6 weeks. Good. And 6 weeks is 1 month and 2 weeks. Is it?
Yes.
You wait a minute. I'm coming.
Darkness tried to steal my heart away. Thank you, Jesus. Mercy said no.